So, hello everyone. This has to be your ultimate stop for the descriptive composition. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the descriptive essays which we get in our examination. Okay. So, for the descriptive essay, the points to remember should be: first, make sure that you note down some ideas before you begin describing it. ठीक है, मेक श्योर कि सबसे पहले 2-3 मिनट दे करके सबसे पहले सोच लेना है कि जो टॉपिक मिला है उस बारे में हमारे दिमाग में क्या क्या आइडिया आ रहे हैं, हम क्या क्या डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. यूज क्लियर एंड कंसाइज लैंग्वेज. बहुत क्लियर, बहुत कंसाइज लैंग्वेज होनी चाहिए. डिस्क्राइब करना है, छोटी छोटी चीजें लिखनी है, तो इसलिए लैंग्वेज आपकी बहुत प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए. पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर का यूज कैसे कहाँ होना है आपको पता होना चाहिए. रिमेंबर, if you are describing something, you need to be appealing to the senses of the reader. Explain how the thing smelled, felt, sounded, tasted or looked. Means that if you're describing something, तो description का मतलब ये है कि जब वो reader उसको पढ़े तो वो उसको अपील करे. ठीक है, उसका आगे पढ़ने का उसका मन करे, उसको समझ आए कि हाँ यहाँ पे तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का भी डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है. तो किस तरह से, like if you're describing a scene, so how it felt, like it was a winter evening, so there was fog or there was snow everywhere. You couldn't see anything. The smell of the roasted goose was coming. Alright, so those little descriptions need to be there. Describe emotions or feelings related to your topic. This will connect you with the reader on a deeper level. Now you also have to describe the emotions and the feelings. Alright, means whatever you are writing, उससे जो है क्या emotions हैं, क्या feelings हैं, so that when the reader is reading, it also feels what you are trying to say. Leave the reader with a clear impression. It should evoke a strong sense of familiarity and appreciation in the reader. Now the reader should be very clear. जब वो ऐसे पढ़ना खत्म करे तो उसको बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए कि उसने कहाँ से स्टार्ट करा था और उसने क्या पढ़ा है. ठीक है, उसको किस बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है, उसको क्या बताने की कोशिश करी जा रही थी. Always present and organized and logical description. Again, there should be a very organized, very logical description. उसमें कुछ भी फालतू का नहीं लिख के आना है. Very clear? So now, again, in this there are 3 paragraphs. It is divided into 3. The body, जो आपका बॉडी पैराग्राफ होता है वो आपके 3 या 4 पैराग्राफ्स में डिवाइड होगा, बट अल्टीमेटली इट इज द 3 पैराग्राफ्स. सबसे पहले आप इंट्रोडक्शन देते हो, दैट इज द इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ. सो नाउ से दैट देयर इज दिस टॉपिक, that there has been heavy rain in your city or town. You went to school but found that it was closed because of the rain. Describe the sights and sounds near the school and narrate how you finally reached home and spent the rest of the day. तो अब इस पे आपको इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ लिखना है, तो क्या लिखोगे आप? अपना पूरा स्टार्ट नहीं करने लग जाओगे कि मैं नहीं गया था तो ऐसे हुआ वैसे हुआ. यू विल स्टार्ट दैट इट वाज रेनिंग हेवीली. इट हैड बीन रेनिंग सिंस लास्ट नाइट. लाइक हियर, इट हैड बीन रेनिंग वेरी हेवीली सिंस लास्ट नाइट. The whole night it was raining and pouring, lightning striking and sound of thunder terrifying us. Next day, the streets and roads had flooded, and still I decided to go to school as I never wanted to miss it. I got ready, took a raincoat and left for my school. At some places, the water was knee deep and very few people could see at the roads. So, यहाँ पे हमने introductory paragraph में अपने क्या करा है कि we have described, alright, the surroundings, whatever was happening there. हमने अपनी मेन बॉडी, अपना मेन कंटेंट अभी उस फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में नहीं डाला है. अब मेन कंटेंट कहाँ जाएगा? आपका बॉडी पैराग्राफ में. दैट इज योर सेकंड पैराग्राफ. So here you have to keep in mind, separate the paragraphs according to change of content, and the paragraphs must start with some eye-catchy line that makes the reader understand what is the main idea of the entire paragraph. सबसे पहले तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे 3 to 4 पैराग्राफ्स आते हैं, तो कहाँ पे हमें अपने पैराग्राफ चेंज करने हैं. जहाँ पे कंटेंट थोड़ा सा चेंज हो रहा है आपको पैराग्राफ चेंज हो जाएगा. सेकेंडली, आपको अपने पैराग्राफ को एक ऐसी लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है जहाँ पे जो रीडर है उसको ये समझ में आ जाए कि वो क्या पढ़ रहा है, उसका आगे आने वाले पैराग्राफ में क्या होगा. ओके, so that engages the reader. Like, when I reached school, I found a big notice announcing that the school was closed for the day as water had entered the ground in the classrooms as well. There were some other students who had ventured to reach school in spite of all odds. Anyway, as there was no school, we all decided to enjoy the day. As there was water all around, we made paper boats and floated them in the ground. Okay. Then again, there's a change of paragraph. Why? Because यहाँ पे they have told that okay, the school was closed and we decided to enjoy the day. Now the paragraph changes. Why? Because the content changes. There were some vehicles on the road which were trying to make way in spite of the road being submerged in water. Now they have started describing the other things. Okay, so here the paragraph changed. Why? Because the content changed. Now moving to the concluding paragraph, the last paragraph. Don't write anything more about your topic. Just conclude it in simple words. Means a concluding paragraph. You don't have to add anything in your essay in the last paragraph. You just have to conclude it that it was one of the best day of my life. I enjoyed my heart out. I won't ever forget it. It was really enjoyable day and a welcome break from boring routine of attending school every day. You can also add 2-3 lines similarly that it was one of the best days of my life. I still can't forget the memories of that day. One of the best days of my childhood. You know, you can add anything more in it. But you don't have to describe your essay more. So this was it for your descriptive essay. This is Muskan Shukla, your English teacher, signing off.